This stuff like this, I got to tell you, this case has really, really opened my eyes because I've always been law and order, and I always believe that judges pride themselves off doing the right thing. But this, I don't even know if this judge is corrupt or just, you know, just ignorant to civil law. I keep hearing it's just ignorance to civil law. But you know, if ignorance is not a viable defense for people, you know, that's what they say. You not knowing the law, that's not a defense. It shouldn't be a defense for a judge. And like I said, they have clerks, they have, you know, all kinds of programs that they can just plug in some keywords and know. So that man read that, and I believe he read this. So it's either his interpretation of black and white English or he's flawed. And I don't know which one it is. I'm not going to harp on it because, good God, I hate to have to be back in front of him and him saying, "Oh my God, I don't like your commentary. 11 months, 21 days for your voice." I don't trust him. I don't trust anybody in the county. I think they're all crap. Your government sucks, people. I'm going to tell you that. You want corruption out of your county? Vote it out. That's all you can do is vote it out. But you guys can see exactly what's going on. I would never want that Sheriff Craddock, being the investigator over anything. And if I had a child missing, I would ask for anybody other than him. I'm sorry, I would. Campaigning for funds. We've already got a little over 2,000 raised, as we said. A lot of gracious supporters. I want to give a big shout out to Andrea. I love you, girl. Thank you for your generosity and everybody else's generosity. That has really, really helped. You know, we never like to we try to handle everything ourselves, but this is kind of past my, you know, past what I can afford. So we just gotta, you know, encourage some fundraising and stuff like that. But this is something we can't just ignore. You know, if it was just simply I could care less. I don't talk to these people. If they want to bamboozle a judge or this, that, and the other with a bunch of lies, I could care less. I don't reach out to these people. I don't talk to these people. I don't ask anybody else to reach out or talk to these people. I've done nothing wrong. Okay, I could care less. But it's the fact that now, what the judge said, I thought was totally out of line. I thought was totally out of the line, and he would not allow me to defend myself, period. And he would not allow, he wouldn't allow me to speak. He kept interrupting me. He kept making my train of thought. He was very frustrated. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. When we walked into that court, we knew we were kind of screwed. We could tell by, it seemed like somebody had eaten had breakfast with the judge before he went into that hearing.